The Philippine National Police PNP has taken action against Kingdom of Jesus Christ leader Apollo Quiboloy, revoking its license to own and possess firearms and as well as firearms registration. PNP Public Information Office Police Colonel Jean Fajardo announced that PNP Chief Police General Romel Francisco Marbil has given his approval to the recommendation made by the Firearms and Explosives Office, FEO.
Wherefore, foregoing considered, the license to own and possess firearms and firearms registration of Apollo Quiboloy are hereby revoked immediately. Further, the next of kin, nearest relative or legal representative of Apollo Quiboloy or any other person is directed to deliver the same, the firearm shall be confiscated for proper disposition.
According to Colonel Fajardo, the FEO's recommendation is grounded in the provisions outlined in Section 4G of Republic Act 10591, also known as the Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunition Regulations Act. Quiboloy's camp has been granted a 6-month period to surrender the firearms to the PNP. However, failure to comply with this directive could result in the PNP initiating police operations to confiscate Quiboloy's firearms.